Let's take a look at your full forecast here on KVVB. I'm Meteorologist Clarence Ponsler. Right now experiencing tranquil weather across the western half of the country. Most of the shower and thunderstorm activity has been east of the Rockies. You saw one cluster of storms near North Dakota, another cluster of showers and storms as we head towards Iowa, Wisconsin, parts of Illinois, getting into lower Michigan as well, and some random clusters of storms, especially this particular one near the Memphis area from earlier today. Then you head towards the Gulf Coast and into parts of Florida, especially the Florida Peninsula. Generally your general pop-up showers and storms. What about the cloud cover? Not that much, maybe a little bit of streaming cloud cover across much of the western U.S. from about basically San Francisco into parts of Reno, Nevada, and then stretching its way into Idaho, parts of Montana as well. You can see that cluster of showers and storms moving their way from one cluster in North Dakota to another cluster, as I mentioned earlier, into parts of Iowa, Wisconsin, to lower Michigan. And then the general bubbling up showers and storms across much of the Gulf Coast and into parts of Florida. And in the East Pacific, the tropical East Pacific, you see this cloud cover down here? That is the first named storm of the season. Alvin, one of the latest first named storms of the season. It actually did become a hurricane briefly. None of that moisture, unfortunately, is going to make its way into our viewing area. So high pressure will be in control as we move forward over the next several days. Lots of blue skies and some clear nights. 56 degrees, partly cloudy, west winds at 5 to 10. As we take a look at the next 12 hours, starting at midnight, 63 at 12 midnight, 56 by 6 in the morning. By the noon hour, we'll be already in the upper 80s, maybe under partly cloudy skies. So we might have a little bit more cloud cover than we might have seen of late. But it's going to be dry. It's going to be warm. Look at this quick temperature warm up. 63 at 7 a.m., 70 degrees by 8 a.m., maybe upper 70s by mid-morning, and we'll have plenty of sunshine with temps near 90. South winds are at 15 to 20. Could see higher wind gusts as well. It's still going to be hot outside, so drink plenty of fluids, especially if you have any signs of heat exhaustion, and seek those AC environments whenever you can, as well as the shade. And for those young and for those people that are young children, elderly, those with health problems, keep a closer eye on these people as they're more susceptible to the heat. And those cars are going to heat up very quickly, so be sure everyone's accounted for. We don't want any more hot car tragedies this year across our viewing area. We stay in the lower 90s, so it gets a bit hotter as we head towards the Independence Day holiday weekend next Thursday. 92 on Sunday, 93 Monday through Wednesday. Lows generally in the upper 50s, but we could have a 61-degree night on Saturday evening. And don't forget to put on that sunscreen with SPF of at least 15, preferably SPF of at least 30, especially during the midday hours. That'll do it with your forecast here on KVVB. I'm meteorologist Clarence Ponsler. Be sure to follow us on Facebook for more weather updates throughout the weekend. For now, we'll send it back to regularly scheduled programming.